We are pleased to show you the 2015 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX